Hello everyone. As you can see, this is like my airport right here and my airplanes. I will be doing a collection video of all my planes. And like airport tour and everything. Sorry about that. I'm sick currently. Yeah, there's a nice view right there. Yeah. So first of all, I'm starting back there. I just set them down. I didn't arrange them. But anyways, let's get started. Over here, I have a Southwest Boeing 737 right there. Right here, I have a JetBlue A321, or not A321, A320. By the way, this is a 737-800. Then moving on, I have a Spirit Airlines A320. Some of them have like a smaller landing gear because they broke and I had to glue it back on. So I'll do a tutorial on that later on. Then I have my Alaska Airlines 737-800 right here. Actually, I think the Southwest might be a 900, 787 or 737-900. But this is an Alaskan Airlines 737-800. It has that smashed landing gear because it broke off and I had to glue it. I have an Allegiant 737 right here. Pretty nice. Then my oldest plane is this NASA 747-8. I lost the space shuttle. I'm not exactly sure where it is. Somewhere. And then I have a United Airlines 7879, or maybe it's a 787-10. I'm not 100% sure. With the new 2019 livery, a Etihad 787-10 or 787-9. A Sun Country 737-800, a Aeromexico 7878, and a Cessna 172. I had to fix this and put a new thing on there because it fell. This one I had to rip it off and put it on there because this one fell off. Anyway, this is just like a lifeguard, San Francisco lifeguard patrol. And then these are like my airport thingies right here. Just put the camera. Yeah. So, let's take a plane to show you. Let's move all of these. 1 second. So, my Aeromexico right here. I would take this right here because this is like the bridge thing. I'll show you where I put the bridge and everything for the planes park. It goes there. This is the caterer, which usually go right back here. The bus right here, and then the cargo usually would go right back over here. And then that's how it would be loaded up. But also it would not be loaded up right here because I have a spot for that. This is how they're all set up. The terminals right here, those two these three I don't have room for them. Right here is where they would get into the aircraft, where they park, and these are the ones that just have the terminal gate, of course. And then right here is a cargo one. I'm just putting the NASA plane right here. So the cargo, parking, taxi thing, I guess. Then my terminal, and then I have taxi marks for all these planes to go through. And then they take off, and let's put this one back over here. So this one just pulls out, pretty cool. These ones also pull out like that. They end up going to the runway, taking off, I collect Darren airplanes. they're not on scale like all the Gemini jet ones. Like, let's take a Boeing 747 and a 737. They're not actually that size in real life, but they're still cool and I like them. I think these two are like practically on scale because they're just like the same size aircraft in real life, practically. Anyways, that's like a tour of my airport. It's pretty cool. I like it, and I might be getting some more planes soon. And just saying, I have a few favorite airlines. I love Alaska. I really like United, JetBlue, Southwest. I've been on Southwest many times. I love Southwest. And Delta. I don't have a Delta plane right now, but I have something really close to it. This model right here, it's a Skymarks 757-200 Delta. I flew on this exact plane from what is it? Oh, I forget. What airport was it? Sacramento Airport to Salt Lake City because I was going to Utah to visit my aunt. I said that wrong. Anyways, it was really fun going there, and I got to see inside of the cockpit. I don't have any pictures. This was in 2019, or no, early 2020. So this is why I love aviation so much. So after this, I searched up for flights and everything. I watched them and everything. So, like, I'm not new to the aviation industry. I've been here since, like, I started liking aviation, like, ever since the Planes movie. I watched that, and then I just loved it. And then I liked cars more, and then, like, after I went on this plane to Utah, I just love aviation ever since then. And then earlier this year, I liked tech. Not so much of that now. I just like aviation and edits. So like on my TikTok account, I just post like a bunch of edits. And on here, I post aviation. Which thank you so much for all the views on my last 2 videos. In 2020 when I did YouTube a lot more. I think it was in 2019 also, a bit more also. I think so too, that I liked aviation in 2019 also. I'm not exactly sure, I don't remember. Oh yeah, because I went to Mexico, Cabo San Lucas. That's what actually started my aviation love from going on the planes. Anyways, so I've been here since 2019, and my account got, one got hacked, and one I lost the email to. So I've been here since 2019. This is my new account. Yeah. So, like, ever since that flight to Utah really, like, made me really like aviation. Like, really like it. At the point where I was constantly watching, like, people flying on planes. And, like, watching the planes flying over the sky. Watching, like aviation videos on YouTube all the time. And so then I ended up getting my first Darren airplane set. It was the Delta 757 and 777. As you can see, it's right here. And I got that one, and then I just loved it. I loved it, and I watched solely that movie. I still have a CVD of it. I'm gonna go look for it to show you. This movie right here, I watched it so many times. I took the landing gear off of the 777, and I watched many aviation movies of like crashers and everything. I took the landing gear off of the 777, thinking it was this exact plane, and like putting it into the carpet, like it crashed into the water. I don't know why. Anyways, that's why I love aviation a lot. And I will be posting a lot more on this channel in the next few months into next year. I will not be quitting at all. I don't quit when I'm posting videos like this because it's very fun to entertain you guys with all this aviation stuff and everything. Random fact, I like Canada. It's a cool place. I've never been to Canada. I've been to Mexico. Only other country I've ever been to. Anyways, bye. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, you already know the drill. All right, bye.
Thank you for watching. Bye.